Alright, y'all. Ready for another massacre on Moser Ranch? That's what happened last night. Holy shit. That uprooted. So look at that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The big one snapped in the back. Damn. And this one took Mickey's car with it. But we can't get it out until we cut the trees off. Look at that.
It just needs a couple poles. It's fine. We probably got extra spare parts around.
Watch out. Ooh. That looks like a barley. Barley?
Hello. Oh my god. Fun, huh?
Poor fucking car.
I told the weather it could only touch my car.
Well,
I listened.
Maybe you should just hold it not to touch anything.
I got all the coverage in the world
That's good.
on that beast.
Mom's like, are they gonna drop Kelly? Her insurance. 2 cars in 1 year. What is this woman doing? Is she driving in rains or windstorm?
Oh my god.
Yeah, best thing is.
I didn't learn my Chicago hat,
Oh my god. Holy. So you're gonna.
End up dropping it right on the table.
Her house is gone. This was in June. Uncle Danny's house.
Dad, you don't have to. Bree and I can get it. Yeah, we'll get it. We're strong, independent women.
Let's take a look in the back here. And we'll take a look. Oh, I gotta put my head on. It's cold out here. Let's take a look. Oh, yeah. Back here. Right through the fence. Another through the fence here. Yeah, there it is. 2. Birch. That one. The fingers are cold. So you gotta go under the tree. Brr. Wow, when I was younger, this greenhouse used to seem so gigantic. Look at how tiny it is. Oh, wow. There's a whole pile. Look at that. Aww. Maybe that's where they buried Peanut. Dang. Holy. So where the tree broke? Look at that. Huge ass tree just fell in that house. Wow. Look at that. More trees falling back here. And foresters came and cleaned it up. Look at that one. So let's go over here. I don't know if I can get through Aunt Judy's yard. Ouch. Wow. It was a strong wind last night. Now you know why I was crying for a damn hour. Holy cow. One, two, 3, 4. And they uprooted. am. I'm just glad like every one of us is okay. Look at that. Wow. Look at that. Mm. Ooh, cold. Because I need food. Yeah. More destruction. There is a small tree that just tipped. Boom. Landed on Ronnie and Terry's house over there. And you see over here. Nothing on my house, thank you, Lord. And these trees falling from behind the fence, but nothing touched Aunt Judy's house. Amazing. I have to switch my hands, it's cold. Kind of a cool Christmas tree. I'm ready for my coffee. I'm a cold girl. Sorry. Was I making it weird? Don't hang yourself on the line. Wow. Mother Nature's destruction. Huh. Huh. And the Forest Service didn't want to take down that tree. There you go. Dang, hot diggity. Shit. Is this supposed to be a top of a tree? I don't even freaking know. So, that end of this little roof got it, but other than that, praise be to God, my spirit guides, spirit ancestors, any deities that are with me. My house was spared this time. I can't get through this mess though, so I have to go back around. Can I get through here? I don't think I can get through here. Our neighbor looks like he might have had some trees fall, but I can't really tell. Wow. I can go through here though, I think. Dang, there's something my hands are cold, I need mittens. Ah. I'm really cold. It's cold out here. Alright, so as you can see, probably the tree that hit my car is the one that uprooted right there. Which I knew I wanted to take down these trees in the roundabout. And they're the ones that uprooted down. Dang, dude. Yeah. Wow. Holy moly. It's a fresh one. Dang. Hit the ground hard. Maybe I should make some totem poles. I don't mean that to be offensive. Wow. And you know, we still weren't completely cleaned up from the first run of the mill on this whole nature BS. Oh yeah, down there at the warehouse. Wow, check out this one. Ooh, buddy. Yeah, that is the one that took out my car. Shit. Oh, you can see a tree leaning back there. And you got the one in front of the warehouse. Ooh, now it snap, crackled, and fell. Let's take a look. Look at that root system. Ooh, yeah. Wow. Wouldn't it be cool if we found gold? The shit I think about. Wow. Look at that wood. Look at that wood. It's beautiful. Holy depths down under. Whew. Man. Oh. Just cut the tree off over there at Nikki's. And it like balanced on her car. I mean, they're cutting the tree off of her car so that they can move her car, I'm assuming. Anyways, oops, put it back on one. Here's the lovely tree that crushed my beautiful Suzi Subaru that I was beginning to love so much. Sayonara, baby. We had a good little run, but that's it. Ain't no run no more. Time to find a new car. Shit, look at that. I mean, look at that. Look at that. Okay, when is this weather gonna stop for us? We really cannot do this anymore. Oh, gee, look at that tree hugging the other tree. Oh, help me, I don't want to fall. Just kidding. Kind of funny. Sorry. Wonder, get off of me. If I can get into my car. Probably not. I want to get shit out of it. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, baby. Crash and burn. Yeah, I've got shit in there. I'd like to get out, but oh, cool. This isn't even attached. The only spot I could get out is here. Or in. Or whatever the fuck. But it's locked. Shit, I gotta unlock it. Because I need to get stuff out of it. Dang, man. What are you down for? Wow. I need to go get coffee before I take any more walks. But can I get through here? I think I can. Oh, there was a little nest. Pretty sure nothing was in it because of the time of the year. Ah! Look at a little tiny nest. Damn. Yeah, you're totally done for. Sorry, car. Left you all I had ya. Well, technically I could reach in there and just unlock the door. But I'm not gonna. Was there anything to get out of the back? Oh, my favorite birch. Man. Otherwise the seats. I don't know. Maybe from the other side I can get them. Funny how the airbags don't go off. Alright. Let's go, oh yeah, they moved Nikki's car. Where'd it go? Funny. Alright. I'll take more detours in a moment, but I need to go inside. Warm up. Get some different gloves. Get my coffee. Oh, dude. Get my... Yeah. Just thank you, Lord. My house is spared. Wow.